Cami J Official. Welcome to my video. It's Cami J Official, so let's start the show. To my subscribers, listen, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. To anyone that is new here, welcome. I do natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And if you happen to like this video, I hope that you would consider giving it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be all about my $5 Mielle Organics natural hair haul. Last week I was just perusing the internet, as I do so often, and I came across Mielle Organics ad, and in that ad it said everything on her website for like that 48 hours was $5. So y'all know I had to jump on it, especially as somebody who loves natural hair and natural hair products. It was like I struck gold. I was too happy to go ahead and spend my money. So I pretty much want to share with you guys what I got in my $5 Mielle Organics haul. If you have never tried any of her products, or you don't even know what this brand is or what this brand is about, do not worry, because I will be doing videos on pretty much every single product that I have purchased, letting you know how I like them, how I feel about them, and basically just, you know, telling you how they worked for my hair. But without further ado, let me go ahead and introduce you to the products I purchased. All right guys, so this product here is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Edge Control. Listen, whatever styles that you are doing, sometimes you just need a good edge control. Some people like to slick their edges down, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that if you like to have the slick edge look, or sometimes when you're wearing different hairstyles, you just need more hold in the front of your hair. This has a lot of good ratings on her website, so I was interested. I did want to pick this up, and it smells amazing, y'all. It smells so good. Honestly, it smells good enough to be a candle. So I really look forward to using this in my hair. So the next product that I have here is the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Hair Butter. So I am actually a sucker for hair butters. I really like them. I like the texture. I like how they feel not only in my hands, but in my hair. And I know right now there's a new natural hair movement where it's like no butters, no oils, no creams, no none of that. But I like hair butters. They work really well for me, and they work great in my hair, especially when I want to do things like twist out. So I was really glad to pick this up. Just wanted to quickly show you the texture. Look at that, y'all. It looks nice and creamy. It looks so fluffy. And this smells really good as well. This actually has like a very light, pleasant scent, which I do like. So sticking with the same products in this Hawaiian Ginger line, I did go ahead and pick up the Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage Shampoo. I wanted to get this because you can never go wrong with a really good shampoo, especially a moisturizing and anti-breakage shampoo, because to me, if it's moisturizing and it's built for anti-breakage, then that means it can lead to length retention. And if you know my channel, I am all about length retention, right? Being able to retain the length of your natural hair so that way it can promote growth in the future. So to go along with that Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage shampoo, I did pick up her Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage conditioner as well, because I do want to try the products in succession together just to see how they work together in my hair. So continuing in that Hawaiian Ginger line, I did pick up this leave-in conditioner because I want to try all the products together in my hair to see how they work together in one line. And I am a sucker for leave-in conditioners. Like, I love leave-in conditioners. I love how they make my hair feel, especially if it's like a really good leave-in conditioner. So like, I don't know about you, but that's one of my favorite parts in my natural hair styles, is getting like a bomb leave-in conditioner. So I will test this out and see how well this is as a leave-in conditioner, and I'm hoping that I will be able to actually like pair this with other products that I use from different lines as well. So the final product that I got in this Hawaiian Ginger line from Mielle Organics was actually the styling gel, the Hawaiian Ginger styling gel. I really don't use a lot of gels in my hair anymore because I kind of quit doing wash and goes a long time ago. I'm more of like a twist out girl, but this summertime is coming up and I do want to venture back into the realm of wash and goes. So y'all pray for me. Y'all pray that my hair is like gonna cooperate. So this also had a lot of good reviews on her site. People had a lot of good things to say about this. So I'm excited to try this out, especially for the hot summer days where I am going to do some more wash and goes. So we're going to continue moving on. This is going to be the Pomegranate and Honey line from Mielle Organics. I wanted to try the shampoo for this one. Again, this is another moisturizing and detangling shampoo. I'm a sucker for those type of things, y'all. Again, because your girl is trying to grow her hair back to waist length. Again, after I broke it off, it grew back a lot, but I'm growing it back again. So I'm focused on a lot of products that put moisture back into my hair and that will aid in detangling or not further tangling my hair. Sometimes wash day can be a beast because you use the wrong type of shampoo, and I'm telling y'all, it can ruin wash day for you. I've been there. I've been there before where wash day was ruined because I used the wrong type of shampoo and it left my hair feeling brittle and just hard and just even more tangled than when I started. So that's why I got this again, to try to find something that is a shampoo that is also going to be moisturizing and detangling for wash day. So to go with that Pomegranate and Honey line shampoo, I had to go pick up the Pomegranate and Honey line conditioner. And y'all, why not? Everything was $5. Like, everything was $5. When I tell you I racked up. I ended up getting 11 items, like, for a steal. Okay, it was beyond a deal. It was a steal from the Mielle Organics site. So shout out to you, Mielle Organics, for the $5 sale, because yes, this has enabled me to try so many different products, not only for myself, but for my daughter's natural hair as well. But I am looking forward to trying this particular conditioner because it is pomegranate and honey. It does smell really good. It claims to be moisturizing and help with detangling. And if you have natural hair, those are one of like the top 2 things that you want in your natural hair routine, to be able to moisturize and detangle your hair. So keeping in that same pomegranate and honey line, here we do have the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard, right? So this says that this gives you deep definition, deep curl definition, and you can prime and define your natural hair. So if you want like really good definition, it's saying that it can give you that. And I'm going to give you a quick texture shot so that way you can see what this looks like. All right, so here is what the product looks like, guys. And to me, it is very reminiscent of a gel for the most part. It is called a custard. I am interested to see how this performs in comparison to the gel that I got in the Hawaiian ginger line. I really want to test both out and see if there really is a big difference and see, you know, which one of these do I like in my hair best. So now we're going to go to the Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I am a twist out girl, as I said before earlier in this video, so I'm always looking for products that are going to give me a bomb twist out. A bomb twist out for me is a twist out that is soft, nice and shiny, but also very defined. So this is how it is here. And just wanted to give you a texture shot of this as well. This is also nice and fluffy. I will say that the consistency of this one seems a little bit thicker than the moisture butter that was in the Hawaiian ginger line. So last but not least is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. So this is supposed to be able to give you soft definition, light hold, and it has a light consistency. So it's formulated again for soft definition. Now, one thing I will say about the Mielle Organics products that I did get, I love how on the bottles it tells you exactly what you should be expecting from the products, right? Like some products you get, you really don't know how much definition you should be expecting, how much curl, how much hold, but she actually has a scale on here that tells you like how much definition you're going to get. So I think that that is honestly really awesome. So I'm going to try to see if I can maybe pair this with one of the gels to see how well they work with each other and how well they play with each other. Because one thing is, when you're doing this natural hair thing and trying to figure out different products, is one of the biggest struggles for me was being able to find products that actually complement each other and work well with each other. So I'm going to try this with the other products in the line, and I'm also going to try some like mixing and matching, right? Just to see kind of which products play off each other the best. But guys, please comment below and let me know which products do you think you would want to try the most out of the ones that I've gone through thus far. All right, guys, so that is it for my video. I really hope that you enjoyed my $5 Mielle Organics natural hair haul. I'm telling you what, I'm so excited and so looking forward to being able to try all these products out and test them in my natural hair. But if you did like this video, guys, I hope that you would give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so that way you know whenever I post new videos. But as always, thank you for joining me. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!